Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the open house 26-27. Today I'm going to give you the whole tour of this wonderful school of Pingu's English School and Eureka school system. We are celebrating our 12 years of holistic development and excellence. Come with me, I'm going to show you the whole school today. So this is actually the play area for the early years, where they can have lots of fun, and you can see this entire area as well. Come with me, so I'm gonna show you the whole school. So this is a beautiful place, which is our waiting area for all the visitors, and at the same time, we have our wonderful team members sitting here. Pingu's English School is the UK-based brand and available in 26 countries. It is so great that we are actually having for the last 12 years here. And this is all the part of the curriculum of Pingu's English School. And that is a wonderful curriculum which is of Emilia philosophy, right? They have designed by Kingston University, London. And this is a part of that curriculum, right? She is a little Pingu, comes up like this, smile. Oh, very good, mashallah. Please, parents, if you are actually letting your children waste their time in playing the games, don't do that. Rather, provide them some wonderful books, the readers, which they can learn, and they can also improve their vocabulary bank, and they can do some great things.